Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can get the iPhone ringtone on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to get the iPhone ringtone, we need to download an app that will set the ringtone for us. So let's go to the Play Store and then let's search for iPhone ringtone app. And then I'm gonna choose this one and then let's press install. Now let's wait a couple of seconds to let the device download and install the app. And once it is done, press open. And after that, we should be able to select one of the ringtones. So let's say I'm gonna choose, let's press consent. I'm gonna choose iPhone 14. Now over here we have different ringtones. We can press play in order to hear the preview. All right, this is the one, so we can select it and then set as a ringtone. And then we want to set it as a color ringtone. We need to allow permission, so let's do that. Let's go back, and just in case we want to press it one more time. Over here at the bottom we will see the information that we have set the ringtone successfully. So now to make sure, we need to go to the settings and let's see if it's actually changed. I'm already in the sound and vibration settings. If you don't know how to get into these settings, then in the settings you can go to sound and vibration over here. And if you have these numbers over here, I mean you can have different numbers, but generally this is how the name of the ringtone looks like. If it's correct like that, then this is the ringtone. We can also go to volume and move the slider a bit in order to hear the preview. And yeah, this is the iPhone ringtone that I wanted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.